How do you start building a car in your garage? Okay, well, in this video, on my second one, I'm gonna show you how. There's a frame. It's gonna come. I'm gonna put it on jacks. So I have to buy hydraulic jack, a creeper, so I can go underneath, start working on it. And on this frame, I'll be assembling all my shocks and tires and brakes and all that stuff. And end up with this beautiful car. And the stage is set. What is it for? For the frame of the car. So the car is gonna come, the frame is gonna be held up by these jacks. It's four of them, of course. And these items, my toys here, they're called Daytona, same name of the car. 3-ton jack, and this hydraulic table that I liked a lot. This, especially when you carry that jack, that I didn't know that's gonna be like 200 pounds. Jeez. This hydraulic, it's really cool. You can go up and down. Very nice. For safety, of course, a chair, clipping chair, and some of my tools here. A caliper, brand new, never used it. Use it for work. I'm an engineer, but I need the torque meters. And this is a crimper for the lugs, for cable lugs. It's cool. Some of the drawers here. Let's see here. Okay, some of my tools. It's getting filled slowly, but well organized now. From the years there was mess, especially when I got rid of everything and put them up in the ceiling here. Christmas and lights and I don't know, summer chairs and my golfing there, and some oil for the car stuff there and for the garden. So everything got organized. Real nice. And I like those lights and the fan keeping everything rotating. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the picture how this car sits in the frame. All right, take a look. Sitting up there and some of the design how the frame is gonna sit. Because people tell me, how are you gonna start? I guess this is the start. The stage is set to build this car. Yes, I got a couple of posters. I'll be hanging them soon up here. That would be cool. Yeah, from the 60s, from the decade when I was born. This car was, they start putting it together from the Cobra chassis in 1963. And you can watch a movie at the end, see how it beat Ferrari and everybody else. It will be awesome. I'm gonna do my engineering skills even to improve it. So watch out. Here I come. Thank you very much for watching. Again, please like, share, subscribe. It's gonna be a long-term project, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. And we're gonna build a car that's gonna go over 150, maybe 200 miles an hour, and we're gonna test it.